massive, right? But don't be scared. There is something to do about this, and there's a way to go about this. What do we do? Look at it very well. Look at it. Widespread. But we need to consider the mixed fractions. The mixed fractions. And then off. So quickly, we write down our solution. Solution. Very quickly, we have this. Of course, our solution should be the BODMAS application. BODMAS rule or application. That should be our solution. But because of the presence of off, first of all, we change this question. We change this, especially this off, to times or multiplication sign. So let's go. So the first thing we need to do is to operate this way. 4 whole number 3 all over 5 times bracket, because we're working bracket off. Bracket and off. Bracket and off. So we maintain 3 all over 4. That's the first step. Changing off, we put times multiplication sign. Maintain 4 all over 9. And then we continue with this. 15 whole number, 1 all over 2, right? Okay, then bracket close plus 19 all over 24. We have changed off. We have converted off to multiplication sign. So the next thing to do is to change the mixed fractions into what? Improper fractions. So we do this. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23 all over 5. Good. We move it into the brackets, okay, because it's going to affect everything there. We have 3 all over 4 times 4 all over 9 plus, we change this mixed fraction. 2 times 15 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. 31 all over 2, bracket close once again, plus 19 all over 24. Good. All right. We have started well. So the next thing we need to do here is to understand that we must deal with every term within the bracket or parentheses, so to say. Okay? So let's look at that. We retain our 23. 23 all over 5. We keep it that way. Multiplication retained. So let's look at this. Let's look at this very well. Very, very nice. Of course, while solving this, we should know that 4, we take care of 4, right? And we are left with 3 all over this 9. Yes. All over 9. Good. All right. Or let's go this way. Let's go this way. Excuse me. Let's go this way. Since this is cancelling this, let's see if 3 can cancel 9. Of course, 3 cancels itself. 1 cancels 9. We have 2. So we can then have 1 all over 2 plus, are you there? No, 3 cancel this will give us 3, not 2. This is 1 all over 3, right? And then we have 31 all over 2, bracket close. We maintain plus 19 all over 24, correct? So we have this. We have succeeded in simplifying terms within the brackets. I repeat, we have succeeded in simplifying terms within the brackets. And this is okay. But we've not finished yet because we need to clear off things. We need to simplify further to know exactly what is happening here, right? So we do that this way. Now we now have 23. Look at this. We have 23, okay, over 5 times. So let's look at into the bracket once again. We have 3 and 2. What does this mean? We need to find the LCM of 3 and 2. And the LCM simply means that particular number that 3 can divide without a remainder and 2 at the same time can divide it without a remainder. And that number should be 6. 3 can divide 6, 2 can divide 6. So the LCM within the brackets is simply 6. Alright? So 3 divides 6. We have 2, okay? 2 times 1, we maintain 2. We will keep 2 there and then our plus sign. 2 divide 6, we have 3. Alright, 3 times this is going to be 93. Because 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 1 is 3. So we have a 93 bracket close. Then we retain our plus 19 over plus 19 all over 24. Good. So let's see. That's what we're trying to do. Very simple. Look at it very well. Any confusion? I doubt. I don't think so. So we still have something to do here. So we continue with our 23 all over 5 times this plus this will give us 95 all over 6, and we return plus at 19 all over 24. Correct. Look at it there. There is something here, okay? I hope this is plus or division. Either plus or division. So let's go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay? Because if it is division, let's check this sign. This sign should be division, not plus. This should be division. We need to effect changes where necessary. This is division, okay? Let's effect changes where necessary. Division, not plus sign, okay? I'm correcting it immediately. Division. Somewhere here it should be division sign, okay? And then somewhere there should be division sign as well. And finally here we should have a division sign. Of course, I'm able to detect it because the process is a bit thwarted somewhere there. So that's why, okay, it should be division sign, not plus sign. So let's see that once again. All right, now according to BODMAS, division sign. We are done with brackets, we are done with of, is division. So what happens here is something we should take note of. And it becomes 23 all over 5 times 95 all over 6. It comes into play. The action of division according to this, we turn it into what? Multiplication. Turns down, become this. 24 goes up, and then 19 comes down. Correct. You see that means this is 6, not 9. This is 6, okay? So we're going to take that. Come on. So look at this. So look at this. We can work here. 6 goes against itself is 1. 6 goes against 24. It's going to be what? It's going to be 4. So we have 4 at this point. Take notes. So what next do you think will go? We continue. 19 goes against itself. Let's see, is 1. 19 goes against 95. It should be 5. Are we okay? Yes, I think so. Right, it's 5. Correct. So 19 goes against itself is 1. It goes against 95 is 5. That's correct. That's correct. You're making sense? Okay? We move away from there and then consider 5, 5. Alright? So if we do this, we have 5 cancelling this 5, and we are left with just 23. This is interesting. 23 and then 4. 23 times 4. Let's see. 23 times 4 is equal to what happens? 3 times 4 is 12, right? 2 carry 1, alright? And then 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 92. Let's recap. Let's redo it somewhere here. So we are left with 23. Watch this. 23, that's this. Alright? And no other value here except this, that's 4. No other, this is 1, 1, and that's ends. And we have times 4. So what does it mean? It means that 3 times 4 is 12. We write 2 to carry 1. And then 4 times 2 is 8 plus the 1 remaining, because we have 1 remaining, and that gives us 92. Final answer. This is the answer, QED. It's done and solved. All right, I love this. Okay? If you have found pleasure in this, what are you still waiting for? Subscribe. Come on, give some thumbs up. You know what? Send it to someone that needs it, okay? Send it to people, to friends, to your students that need this by sharing it. And then give us some thumbs up. Thumbs up. We need it. Encourage us. That's the only thing you can do for us. See you in my next class. See you in my next class. Very, very important. All right.